It is not safe to eat. Stop giving these things to your compost pile. Come here and grab what you maybe don't need. Hey guys, welcome to my veggie patch. So like many of you watching, I am brand new to gardening, and what a journey it has been already. I'm truly learning so much. There's a lot to be said for just diving in and getting started. But what I just found out, I have to share. I bet the majority of you don't know it either. So let's get started. If I were to ask you today, what do you do with all of the leaves, tendrils, and other things that you gather while pruning in your garden? I bet you all would give me the same answer. Stop giving these things to your compost pile. No, I'm not talking about these. I know you eat these. The cucumber is edible from tip to tail. You can eat the tendrils, you can eat the vines, you can even eat the leaves. They have a delicate flavor. They actually take on the taste of pretty much anything you cook them with. So you may just want to eat them raw. You don't want to eat these, the older leaves. They're going to have more of a bitter taste. You want to go for the younger leaves, the smaller guys, and the tendrils. Tastes like chicken. Kidding. It actually still tastes like cucumber. I've been just throwing these in the compost pile. Let's get off there. These are my sweet potatoes. And these are my sweet potato vines. No, they're sweet potato greens. The great thing is you can trim these and eat them raw or eat them in a stew, however you want to do it. But they are packed with vitamin A, K, and fiber, plus many other things. The thing you want to remember is do not trim over 1/3 of what you have on the vine at a time, because you don't want to impact the growth of the tubers in the ground. But right now, make yourself a salad. And we can't forget our bell pepper leaves. These actually have a peppery taste themselves. They are a little strong if you eat them raw. So these, I definitely suggest going ahead and giving a little bit of a cook. Throw them in that stew. Oh, this sweet cauliflower. I was so upset. This is what started my Google search, because I was told to go ahead and just dig these up. Well, the problem is I've been growing them since March. What pathetic plants that haven't even grown the actual cauliflower. So I was like, well, what the hell? Maybe I can eat the leaves. So I Googled it, and sure enough, the leaves, the stems, everything are edible. Now, the issue is the outer leaves have already gotten attacked by pests. So you want to go for these inner leaves, and you can eat those, again, raw or cooked. The more you know. Okay, so I'm going to be very cautious here. Hear this first. If you eat too much, it can be toxic. So you don't want to eat a lot of them. However, what I'm talking about is tomato leaves. Tomato leaves and even the flour can be great to flavor your tomato sauces and your tomato soups with, okay? It can actually add a whole nother level of flavor and give you some nice vitamins and minerals as well. Throw it into your tomato soups, tomato sauces, and you'll thank me. Well, I hope you all have enjoyed this little bit. I'm sure there's more that I could learn in here. I don't know, maybe I could eat the marigold. Just goes to show you, there's always more to learn. And I'm in it for the journey. Hope you're along with me. See you next time.